Take 1 kg of chicken, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and salt as per your taste, and refrigerate for 10 minutes. Now on the gas, take a pan and add 50 ml of oil and add marinated chicken one by one. And fry for 5 to 7 minutes. And turn the other side of the chicken and fry for 5-10 minutes. Now in a kadai, add 2 chopped onions, 1 cube of butter. You can add if you want more butter also. Saute the onions for 2 minutes. Now add tomatoes, like 3 to 4 tomatoes. Add roughly chopped ginger and garlic. Saute it very well. Now add 3 cups of water, salt as per your taste, a pinch of turmeric powder, one tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, adjust the spice as per your requirement. As I eat more spice, so I am adding 2 spoons. After 5-10 minutes, the mixture will look like this. Now cool the mixture and add to the grinder. Blend it very well. Make a fine paste. Now take a strainer and strain it. This is optional. I preferably don't like to strain it, but usually in every restaurant they do this. So if you can do it, is optional, totally optional to you. On the flame and keep the kadai. Add 2 to 3 cubes of butter. You can add more if you like butter more. Add fresh cream 1-2 tablespoons. Rub some Kasturi Methi. Now add the fried chicken slowly. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't overcook this mixture. Just 5 to 8 minutes is enough. The smell of the butter chicken is so yum. Now mix the mixture well. Check to the taste of the salt and everything. Do try this chicken recipe and comment on how it turned for you. The wonderful butter chicken is ready.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Strong, we're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong, we're doing wrong, but I'll change it.